Hey, I'm Rachel Ngom from She's Making an Impact.com. And I got this question of how do you really connect with people, get them to stay and be a loyal reader, and how do I make them care? This is a really good question. And so the biggest thing is you have to care about them and their success. And you have to add value to them on a consistent basis. So you have to be the one that's showing up and creating content. It's got to be like so consistent. You don't understand how consistent you have to be. You can't show up when you feel like it. You have to show up. If it's on a weekly basis, do it on a weekly basis. But the biggest thing, I mean, when I have my quiet time in the morning, I'm literally just praying, like, how could I add more value to my people today? How can I show up, be the best version of myself so that I can make a bigger impact on their lives? So I want you to really think about that. Like, you have to have a pure heart and the right intentions when it comes to creating your content. And if you want people to stay, you have to give them a reason to stay. So do they know that you're creating content on a consistent basis, right? And then when it comes to connecting with them, adding value, sure, is amazing and you have to do it, but you have to be yourself too. And so write, if you're blogging, write like you talk. If you're creating a video, be yourself. Don't try to read a script or something like that. Just be you. The biggest thing to connect with people, be yourself, and the right people will be attracted to you. Okay. And if you want them to care about you, you have to care about them and their success. That's my advice for you. Make sure to head to the blog, she'smakinganimpact.com, and I'll see you in the next video.